How do you like the format of the TCG Summit?
I think it's a really unique format. I never see this level of collaboration across senior members of the industry, whether they be OEMs, retailers, anywhere else. We hold our own events and we see siloed discussions, but this level of collaboration is really something unique to the TCG Summit platform, I think. In terms of the interesting speeches, I think they're all interesting, but the one that really hit home for me was the JD one, to see what was developing in China, see how rapidly they are developing themselves, how they're bringing scale to very innovative, almost science projects that we'd think about in Western Europe. Of course, they have a very different environment there, but it does show us what is possible. And very interesting to see them thinking about not just their own uniqueness, but how they learn from what they deploy as what we would call a science project, and then how they may monetize that or even share that across the industry for the greater good going forward.
Would you recommend the summit to your colleagues?
Absolutely. I mean, this is the third year that Intel has sponsored it. I really hope we will be sponsoring it again next year. We'll have that discussion with Chris. Certainly in terms of my peers within Intel and across the industry, absolutely. Actually, before I knew of this platform, we were looking to develop one ourselves, very similar, where we develop a common viewpoint across retailers, senior players within the industry, to actually drive change back into brands like myself, but also back into the manufacturing process, so that we connect what we see at the edge with the consumer, because we've heard a theme of consumer centricity all the way through this. We really need to drive that connection that the retailers have uniquely beyond the brands back into the brand manufacturers, so that they can produce the products that the customers really want.